Hey, I'm Luther, and if you're looking for a fast, easy, and proven method to make money online, then you need to watch this quick presentation because I'm about to demonstrate a brand new AI system that is earning me over $20,000 a month in pure profit. Check this out. I've been using a ChatGPT powered app to generate profit-pulling newsletters for local businesses. These AI newsletters pull in so many customers for lawyers, roofers, and real estate agents that they are lining up down the block to pay me $3,000 to $5,000 to generate a year's worth of newsletters for them. Not only does this app generate newsletters for clients, it searches Google for local businesses that need them, scans their website for contact information, writes a personalized sales pitch for each one, and then executes the whole campaign without ever needing a break while you sit back and collect paychecks 24/7. Now, unlike those affiliate marketing side hustles that require you to set up complicated sales funnels to earn tiny affiliate commissions, this app allows anyone with no previous experience or technical ability to skip the learning curve and start earning $3,000 to $5,000 paychecks fast, building a real home-based business, offering an essential service to the businesses that need it all, with no direct selling, no providing any service yourself, and no dealing with any agencies or affiliate programs. In fact, you don't even have to speak with the businesses that are paying you because the entire business is run over email with every step automated using pre-trained AI. Listen, if you're not using AI to build your business, you are simply going to be left behind. The folks using these local newsletter AIs are earning thousands of dollars in fees from local businesses that are eager to get their hands on them. Many of these successful rookies are starting with zero experience in consulting, yet they are outproducing agencies that have been around for over a decade. Listen and watch this quick presentation to learn how you can duplicate these results now, and watch until the very end to find out how you can have all the work done for you. You see, one of the biggest problems facing local service businesses today is that they don't have a reliable, automated way to keep customers coming back and sending them referrals. Your average lawyer, roofer, or dentist is usually busy providing services and don't have the time or resources to follow up with past customers. Now, over the past 10 years, I've been offering a deceptively simple service to solve this problem that has earned me multiple millions of dollars in fees. The strategy is simple yet effective. First, I pick specific cities on Google Maps and search for service businesses that have a high customer value but don't properly follow up with their customers. These are businesses like real estate agents, dentists, roofers, lawyers, where a single customer would earn the business at least $5,000. Next, I find the contact information for each business and write them a personalized sales pitch offering to send their past customers a weekly email newsletter to convince them to spend more money. At the end of the pitch, I make the business owner a crazy offer. Now, if they pay me $5,000 to write an entire year's worth of newsletters, I would guarantee my emails turn a profit. Now, this guarantee made business owners flock to me, check in hand, ready to hire me. The guarantee was also easy for me to achieve because selling to businesses with a high customer value meant that an entire year's worth of newsletters only had to convince one customer to do business again. The newsletters I wrote for clients regularly pulled in 2 to 3 repeat customers per month, making the client's investment a no-brainer, ensuring that they kept paying me every year to write more newsletters. Now, the obvious problem with this business is that it's a lot of work trying to find and sell the right prospects, then spending a whole week writing 52 emails for each client after I'm paid. So when ChatGPT 4 was released, and I saw people were using it to write everything from emails to blog posts and even fully published books, I knew I had to get in on it. I tried every tool to see if I could train an AI to write these newsletters for me. Now, these AI tools are only as good as the material you train them on, so it took months of trial and error to produce a bot that would generate newsletters the way I wanted. In the end, I found the perfect combination of AI training that not only generated 52 weeks of newsletters for any local business niche, it also handled all the prospecting and selling for me. First, the AI bot scans Google for service businesses that meet my criteria, including a high customer value, a good location, and lacking a customer follow-up. It then crafts a rejection-proof sales message for each business, complete with the profit guarantee that has been so effective at closing deals. It finds the business owner's direct contact information and executes the full sales campaign automatically. Now, the results of turning this AI loose have been dramatic. What used to take me 2 weeks of searching, selling, and writing just to collect one $5,000 paycheck has been done in minutes while I spend time with my family. The best part is that by using an AI to do the work, you could scale this business to any level you desire. Doing the work myself, I could handle maybe 2 to 3 newsletter clients per month. However, with the AI handling all the work, I was able to take on dozens of clients, working only a few minutes per week to manage the whole thing. Think about it. Depending on the niche, you can charge from $3,000 to $5,000 for 52 professionally written newsletters. Now let's say you charge each client an average of $3,800. If you were to run the AI and only book 1 new client per week, by the end of the year, you'd have 52 new clients and $197,600 in income. Now instead, if you were to spend a few minutes every day with this AI and generate just 3 clients per week, after a year, you would have earned $592,800. And if you run this AI 24/7 and book 5 clients per week, you're looking at $988,000 in fees your first year using the system. Of course, these are only estimates and your results could be better or worse. However, the best part is that once a client sees the results these newsletters bring in, the vast majority will keep paying you every year for a new batch of newsletters. That means every client you sign up is a potential source of reliable income for years to come, and you only have to work once a year using a simple AI app to generate new letters to collect your fee. Listen, I've been using this bot to successfully sell newsletters for months now, and frankly, I can't handle the volume that it generates. Think about it. Nearly every service business in the country, heck the world, can benefit from a proven email newsletter to generate more repeat clients and referrals. This demand creates a massive untapped opportunity for anyone that gets in on it early, and if you're the type of person that can see where this AI trend is headed, then you can jump on this opportunity and earn a fortune as this continues to explode while everyone else is trying to gamble their life savings on some crypto coin or build an affiliate list or sell junk on Amazon. You can earn a fortune with an opportunity that is untapped, proven, and easy to get started. And right now, I want to get you in on the action. I've turned this method into a paint-by-numbers coaching program that I call the Local Newsletter AI. The Local Newsletter AI is a step-by-step coaching program for building a passive income by selling AI-generated newsletters to local service businesses. This program is designed to be a straightforward path to $10,000 per month in just 90 days. You sign at least 5 clients or you don't pay. Inside the Local Newsletter AI, you'll discover how to use this ChatGPT-powered app to generate profit-pulling newsletters that sell for $3,000 to $5,000 to local businesses, requiring no technical knowledge to create. How to use my pre-trained AI to scrape a list of thousands of local biz prospects that meet my profit criteria, including niche, location, and customer value. How to use AI to generate personalized profit guarantee sales messages to land paying clients. This AI generates custom sales messages using the exact language I have perfected over the last 10 years so you can land paying clients with no sales experience. Now, as a special bonus, I'm including a full Rolodex of outsourcers and freelancers that set everything up and run this business for you for pennies. Hiring people to do the work for you is not just the secret to doing less work. It's also the secret to scaling your business to the multi-million-dollar level. Normally, this is a paid upgrade, but I want you to see results fast. So I'm including this bonus at no cost when you grab a copy of the Local Newsletter AI today. Look, here's the deal. I'm planning to sell the Local Newsletter AI over webinar at my usual price of $9.97. Yet before I do that, I want to gather more testimonials from regular folks who are using this AI system to earn money from home by offering an insane discount over the normal price point. So if you are on this page now, consider yourself lucky. You get to join this coaching program at less than half of what everyone else must pay. Act right now and promise to send me a testimonial after you earn your first paycheck online, and you can join this coaching program for one easy payment of only $17. Listen, don't decide right now. Take advantage of my 60-day no questions asked guarantee. Just try the Local Newsletter AI on me for a full 60 days. I am ready to guarantee your investment by putting cold hard cash on the table in not one, but 3 ways. First, if you do not produce the income you desire within 60 days of joining this coaching program, I will refund every penny of your investment today without question. Second, if you do not find this to be the most beneficial system on the internet to build your own home-based business, just let me know and I'll give you every penny of your investment back as well. Or, even if you don't like my accent, the way the members area looks, or even the font I use in the checklist, whatever your reason might be, rest assured that you have a full 60 days to test drive the local newsletter AI for yourself. If you're not bouncing off the walls, thrilled with the results it produces and the quality of the materials, your investment is guaranteed to be refunded to you in full. Remember, this offer is only valid while the pre-launch sale is active, so look below this video right now. Click on the Add to Cart button you see below. From there, you'll be taken to our Secure Warrior Plus checkout page. Go ahead and fill in your information here, and then click the checkout button and you're in. And once you check out, you'll be given the option to buy additional upgrades and packages to help you get started faster. Definitely grab the ones that feel right to you. Click on the button below right now to get started immediately. And once you click that button below and log into the members area, go immediately to the quick start video that will have you set up with your first local newsletter AI, ready to refer businesses and earn your first paycheck in minutes. Listen, you have 3 roads you can take right now. You could do nothing, and of course you know where that will lead, to a town called nowhere and suffocating online. Now you could take the tips I've shared and go at this on your own, and sure, it will help you. Yet, you'll be leaving with only a partial picture, and that will lead to months, even years of wasted time and frustration, which leads to less and less money for you and your family. And we both know that finances are one of the key reasons couples get divorced, deadly stress levels rise, and dreams are shattered. Or you can do the smart thing. Use the local newsletter AI to fill your inbox with local business leads and earn huge checks selling local business newsletters. Click the Buy Now button below that says Add to Cart, and I'll greet you personally on the next page. If you're still watching, you might have some questions about the local newsletter AI. Now here are some of the most popular questions I've been asked about this system in the past. Is there any OTO or upsell? This system is complete and works as advertised, and you won't have to make any other purchase to get started. After you buy, you will have the option to purchase additional systems at a discount, or you can continue straight to your download page. Do I need to spend any other money on this? The local newsletter AI requires no additional investment to get started. You can land your first paycheck using the free methods in this guide. Later in the course, we recommend tools and paid lead sources that can help you grow your business. However, they are not required to get the results demonstrated in this presentation. Now, how is this different from other opportunities? A local newsletter AI is the only training program that teaches you how to build AI sales bots that use my proven sales strategies to book local business clients. Combined with ChatGPT powered newsletter generator, this program is a complete business in a box that anyone can use to earn side income or build a 6- or 7-figure business. Now, what if I live in Zimbabwe or some other country? This system works anywhere in the world as long as you can open a PayPal or bank account. Now, you will be reaching out to businesses in the US, so good English will be needed to make the most of this in the United States. However, this can work in almost any country with a functioning local economy that uses email and transactions with customers. Can my cat use this to make money? Now, many of our customers use our business systems to build 6- and 7-figure businesses. Unfortunately, you will need to be a human in order to use this, as cats cannot open a bank account. Yet in all seriousness, if you are a human and you can open a bank account, this system will work for you. Click the button below this video now to secure your copy, and I'll see you on the inside.